Bring it over here. I'll fix it.
Wow. I fixed it.
You did?
I should. Ow.
Bring it over here. Brandon, bring it over here.
I found it. Oh, how's that?
Oh, you did a good job.
Whoa. That's,
That'll last a little longer,
that was,
okay?
that was a big
Go have fun.
one. That was a big one.
Ready? Set?
Go! Pop. Whoa.
Yeah. Wow, Brandon, look at Brandon.
Okay.
Here, let me make it tight.
I shoot at bubbles everywhere.
There
I
you go.
shoot at bubbles.
Let's see more bubbles.
There you go.
Okay.
Oh, these are grape scented.
Let's see it. Ow! I see it.
Whoa!
They're popping. They're better popping. Oh, there's still more left than mine. I kept them. Oh, look at that huge one. I found a
Look
huge
above! Look above you!
ball. Ball. Let's keep the bubbles in there.
Want to play with the bubbles after dinner?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, we'll leave them there. Let's go inside.